Good morning all of you. Let's start now. You know, now you have maths class, class 1 fine. Please ready for maths. I hope you all are ready with your math book and math notebook. Today we want to start a new chapter. Today I will start a new chapter, chapter number 5. Chapter number 5, numbers from 10 to 20. The chapter name is numbers from 10 to 20. So all of you please open, take out your math magic book and open page number 69. So all of you please open page number 69. Page number 69 and chapter number 5, numbers from 10 to 20. This is a new chapter. Today we want to start this chapter now. Okay. We know 10 to 0 to 10. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, numbers from 10 to 20. Okay. And page number 69 open and let's start now. Now let's see the picture. Please see the picture over here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many sticks over here? How many sticks? 10. 10 sticks make one bundle. Okay, if I count a lots of many number of things, then if we make a bundle of 10, 10, 10, so that we can count it very easily. Okay, suppose you have 94 or 95 sticks, but each and every time if you count, then it takes more times, but you make a bundle of 10 sticks. Okay, then you can count it very easily. How many tens you just count it? Then if 2 tens, that means 20. Do you know 1 10 means 1 10 is equal to 10. Do you know 1 10 it means 10. 2 tens, 2 tens equal to 20. 2 tens equal to 20 and 3 tens equal to 30. You know that 9 ones plus 1 equal to 10. Okay, 9 ones and 1 equal to 10. So 10. When 9 ones then 1 add, it make a 10. 1 10. 10 means this is 1 10. Okay, and now 3 tens means 30 and 4 tens means 40. 5 tens equal to 50. 6 tens equal to 60. 7 tens equal to 70 and 8 tens equal to 80. Okay, 8 tens equal to 80 and 9 tens equal to 90 and 10 tens. 10 tens equal to 100. 10 tens equal to 100. And let's see 1 10 and 3 ones. The number will be 13. If I give 1 10 and 1 ones, 11. Now please all of you follow me and no need to note down anything now. Just I am explaining the chapter, you just listen and then you will. 1 10 means 10. Okay, 1 10 equal to 10. 1 10 plus 1 equal to, do you know 1 10 and 1 equal to 1 10 and 1 equal to Answer me beta. 110 and 1 1. 110 and 11. Wait, beta, I'll see. এটা বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে কেন দেখো, হোয়াই দ্য জয়েন্ট কল ইজ এন্ডেড। ওরা কিছু শুনতে পাচ্ছে না, দেখতে পাচ্ছে না, আমি কিছু বুঝতে পারছি না, কোনো রিপ্লাই করতে পারছে না। হ্যাঁ 1 পাই এন্ড হয়ে গেছে না এই কলটা। সমস্যা এখানে ওই ও ছিল, ওর আবার ওপর ডিউটি এখানে থেকে চ্যাট দেখবো। হ্যাঁ one 10 means 10. I already discussed with you that 110 means 10, 210 means 20, 3 tens means 30, 4 tens means 40, 5 tens means 50, 6 tens means 60, 7 tens means 70, 8 tens means 80 and 9 tens means 90, 10 tens equal to 100. Okay, I already discussed with you. Now let's see 110 equal to 10. Okay, please answer me. 110 plus 1 1, what will be the number? 110 plus 1 1, 110 1 1 11, 110 1 1 11 and 110 plus 2 ones, 110 plus 2 1 means 12. Yes, okay, very good. 110 equal to 10, that means in 10 we can write 110 and 0 ones. 110 plus 0 1 equal to 10. Okay, 110 plus 1 1 equal to 11, 110 plus 2 ones equal to 12. Now 110 plus 3 1, 3 ones equal to 110 plus 3 ones, এটা বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে। 110 plus 3 ones equal to 13, 110 plus 3 ones equal to 13. Okay, next 110 plus 4 ones, 110 plus 4 ones equal to, yes, very good, 14. Very good Adrija, very good Shubhadeep. And 110 plus 5 ones means 110 plus 5 1 means 15. Okay, 110 plus 6 ones equal to 16. Very good, all of you. Now next 110 plus 7 ones equal to 1. Very good Kaustav, 110, very good Shubhadeep, very good Shitama. 110 plus 7 1 equal to 17, 110 plus 8 ones equal to 18. It is not in your book now beta, please follow the board carefully. Whatever I am explaining, you just listen to me and then we will start our book work. Okay, 110 plus 8 ones equal to 18, 110 plus 9 ones equal to 19, 110 plus 9 ones equal to 19 and after 19 2 tens plus 0 1 equal to 20. Yes Kaustav, very good Kaustav, very good. Now let's see, that means 2 tens plus 0 ones equal to 20. Now follow your book, page number 69. Okay, this is a bundle of 10. A bundle of 10. This is a bundle of 10. Cherry is a one bundle. How many cherries? 10. In a bundle, how many sticks in a bundle? 10 sticks in a bundle. Here, how many matchstick in a bundle? 10 matchstick in a bundle. How many bananas? Here, a bundle of 10 bananas. A bundle of 10 bananas. Please turn over the next page. Page number 70. All of you, please turn over the next page. Page number 70. Okay, make a group of. Make a group of. Here, one has been done in your book. Turnip. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 turnip is over here. You have to make a group of 10. You have to make a group of 10. Look, 10 turnip, make a group. Next, how many ice cream over here? Please follow me and solve with me. You have to make a group of 10. Previous chapter you already learned. Make a group of 4. Make a group of 5. Already done in your class. Here you have to make a group of 10 objects. Okay. Now, how many ice cream? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 ice creams were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In your book, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have to make a group of 10, 10. So, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please make a group of 10 ice cream. Please, in this way, 2 are in a group, 10 are in a group, or 2 are others, not in a group. How many are left? Here 2 left. Then what will be the number? This number is 1, 10, 2 ones, 12, and you have to make a group of 10 ice cream. Please make a group of 10. In this way, in your book, take your pencil and make a group of 10 ice cream. Next, there is a jar. Now, let's see how many jars over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 jars over here. I have to draw first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. How many jars in this picture? 13. Please count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 jars. You have to make a group of 10. 10. Because heading make a group of 10. Okay. So, here you have to make a group of 10 jars. Okay. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, please make a group of 10 jars in this way. From any side you can. 10 are in a group, 3 jars are not in a group, 3 jars are left. This is in a group, 3 are left. Then what is the number? 1, 10 and 1, 2, 3. 3 ones, 13. You can count it easily. No need to count it 1, 2, 3. Now this is a group of 10. So that means here 10 and how many are left? 1, 2, 3. 3 are left. Then what will be the number? 1, 10 and 3 ones, 13. Clear? Okay. I hope you understood. Do you have any problem, beta? Okay, fine. Now next, okay, fine, very good Devayan. Now next, there are leaves. In this box, how many leaves? How many leaves in this box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 leaves. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. How many leaves in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, Adrija, all of you. Very good. Kaustav, Shubhadeep, Adrija, Anirban. Very good. 16 leaves. You have to make a group of 10 leaves. You have to make a group of 10 leaves. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So make a group of 10 leaves. Make a group of 10 leaves. Okay. Now make group of 10 leaves. Now what will be the number? Now why we make a group? Because if we group, then we can count it very easily. Now let's see count. No need to count all the leaves. This is in a bundle. That means here have how many leaves? 10. 10, 1, 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 10 and 6, 1. The number will be 16. There are 10 leaves in a group and 6 leaves are not in a group. There are how many leaves are left? 6 leaves are left. Then what will be the number? 1, 10 and 6 ones. What happened? Oh, Adrija. Okay. Okay, beta Adrija. Now 1, 10 and 6 1. 1, 10 and 6 ones. 16. Okay. Now next. Look, from here we can count the number very easily. This is in a bundle means 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 10 and 6 ones. 16. 1, 10 and 6 ones. What will be the number? 16. Okay. Next, how many chocolates in this box? Count. How many chocolates? Please count beta. 1, 2, 3. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, Adrija, Kaustav, Shritama, Anirban, Shubhadeep and Devayan. Very good all of you. There are 19 chocolates. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I will draw like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 chocolate in this box. You have to make a group of 10. 10. Okay, so count it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So make a group of 10 chocolates. Please make a group of 10 chocolates. So this is a group of 10 chocolates. And how many are left? How many are not in a group? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 chocolates are not in a group. Look, you can count it very easily. 1, 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 10 and 9 ones. That means what will be the number? 1, 10 and 9 ones? 19. 1, 10 and 9 ones equal to 19. 10 chocolates are in a group. 9 chocolates are not in a group. Okay. So number will be 19. Fine. Very good. Okay. Now we will go to the next. Let's start today. Only we will solve this page. Okay. Page number 71. Open. Please turn over the next page. Page number 71. Page number 71. Fill in the blanks. One has been done in your book. Let's see. 9 wands. How many matchstick over here? Please follow me, all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 matchsticks plus 1 matchstick. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 10 matchstick are in a bundle. 10 matchstick are in a group. This is a group of 10 matchstick. This is a group of 10 matchstick. This is done in your book. From next we will do. Okay. 10. Okay. I will not draw. Just I will write the number. This is a 10 matchstick plus 1. 10 plus 1 equal to 10 are in a bundle. 10 in a group. 10 matchstick are in a group. And 1 are left. 1 10 1 1. What will be the number? 1 10 and 1 1 equal to 11. So please all of you write in the blank. Next is done in your book. 110 plus 2 ones. 110 plus, look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is in a group. 10. 110 plus 2 ones. 2 equal to, what will be the number? Yes, very good all of you. 110 and 2 ones equal to 12. Next, this is done in your book. Now next, 110, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 matchstick are in a bundle. 10. 110 plus 3 ones. 110 plus 3 ones equal to, what will be the number? Very good all of you. Anirban, Kaustav, Adrija, Shaptarshi, Muhyan, Oishi. That's very good. 110 plus 3 ones equal to 13. And next you have to draw. Okay. 10 are in a bundle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 matchstick are in a bundle. 10 plus what? 10 plus 4. It is given in your book. You have to draw. 110 plus 4 ones 14. 110 it's done. How many matchstick you have to draw over here? 110 is done. How many matchstick you have to draw? 4 matchstick you have to draw over here. Please all of you draw here 4 matchstick in this manner. Please draw 4 matchstick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please draw 4 matchstick in this way. These are the matchstick. Okay, I have just drawn in a stick. These are the matchstick. Please draw 4 matchstick. Okay. Okay, beta. Today this much, and next class I will discuss from next page. Not today. Not today. I hope you all understood. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Do you have any problem, beta? If you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay. No problem. Very good, Anirban. Very good, Shubhadeep. Very good, Debayan, Sheikh, Muhiyan. Okay, fine. Very good. Then bye today. Bye for today. And see you next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. And follow both the classes, online and offline, both. Bye-bye.